Hello and welcome to this lecture on how to set up Java for your Flutter projects. Now, there are several ways of doing it, but the most recommended way is to use the Java package that came bundled with your Android Studio installation. I am on a Windows machine and I'm running Flutter, which is of version, you can see here, 3.29.3 and Dart 3.7.2. Also, I have ran Flutter Doctor where I have checked all the things that are necessary. Now, the third step is to open up your Android Studio. Make sure to go to More Actions and their SDK Manager. There you will see this SDK Tools where you need to make sure that you have Android SDK Command Line Tools latest installed. And of course, make sure that you have all this other important stuff installed as well. Apply an OK and it will install. For me, it already has been installed. So let's click OK and close it off. Now it's time that we set up Java. Let's copy this location, so which is our program files, Android Studio. And if I open up my Explorer and I paste it there, you will see I have there this JBR. Now JBR is for modern version of Android Studio. For older version, it is JRE. And JBR is the one we are interested in. So click into it so that our entire path now says the whole thing /JBR. And I'm going to copy it. Now, let's hit the Windows key and write E and V for environment variables. And from the settings, we are going to click this button that says environment variables. There, we are going to create a new variable name, which is going to be named Java_home, and make sure all caps and paste the link there. So the path. Okay. Also for this one here, we're going to add new, and it will be Java_home, and the value is going to be that path. Okay. Now that is not all. What is left is we need to add this much as well. So percentage Java_home %/bin. So copy it. Open up your environment variables, and there you will see this path. Edit, new, paste it. Okay. Also for the system variables, come to path, edit, new, paste. Okay. Okay. And we are done. Let's open up a CMD and let's just write Java --version and hit enter. You see, Java is now recognized in our system, and we can even use this inside of our VS Code. See if things are working. It is not working because I need to restart the computer, but nonetheless, Java is working. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.